2 of 2 para dito kay Roger Yap. Ito na yung pandiin ni Coach Ryan Gregorio.
8:22 to go in the ball game here in Bohol. Here's Holcomb against Villanueva. Holcomb pulls up. Rebound para kay Ralimi. Ralimi now with 9 rebounds tonight. And here's a steal by Miller. Miller stops and pops, and it's a miss.
3 points sa pinira ni Weaver.
Oh, nag-iisa siya doon. And that pass was anticipated by Quinyahan. Here's De La Cruz. Blocked by Raimundo.
Ang ganda nun, meron nang screen dito si Quinyahan, pero the shot was still challenged by Raimundo.
James Yap for 3. Yes, sir.
Kasi sa Miller, notwithstanding sa 3-point shot na yun.
TM3 for James Yap. He has 17 points. Yan ang kanyang pangatlong rainbow conversion. Apat na lamang ng Pure Foods. 67-63. Holcomb lost the ball.
Lost his footing first. Dahil ang haba nung hakbang niya eh.
Here's Roger Yap on the right side. Roger Yap inside Villanueva.
Okay. Not counted. Ayan.